how to add link to Facebook story. So if you want to add a particular link to your Facebook story, maybe a product link or your sales page link, whatever link you have that you want to add to your Facebook story, then these are the steps to take. Go ahead and open the Facebook application. Click on this plus button at the top and then select story. Once you selected story, go ahead and select the video or image you want to add to your Facebook story. Then locate and click on the sticker icon. Now you should see link. Click on it. Now go ahead and type in the link you want to add to your Facebook story. Once you type the link, you can also confirm whether the link is working. So before you push this to your Instagram story, then you need to confirm whether the link is working or not by clicking on test link. Once you click on test link, this is going to open a built-in browser on Facebook, and if the link is active, you see it like this. Now once you're done, go ahead and click on add. After that, you should see the link preview. You can adjust the link preview or reduce it. You can also put it at the top right, whatever you want here. And after that, go ahead and share this to your story. Then you should see the link sent to your Facebook story. So it's going to take a couple of seconds before this will be properly shared to your Facebook story. And that's it. So that is basically how to add link to Facebook story. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.